Let's see how to set a theme in Microsoft Word. So first, we want to open up Microsoft Word. And to set a theme, we want to go into the Design tab and click on Themes right here, or choose any random theme right here. So as you can see, if we click something, it doesn't quite reflect on the document yet. And that's because this theme only applies to specific headings or titles that you've set here on the Home tab. So for example, if we set its title as the title here, and we set its heading as heading, and the same thing for this one, you'll see that it automatically adjusts the format of those settings. Now going back into the Design tab, we can see that when we try to choose something, it will automatically adjust and reformat the text to match the theme. And that is how you set a theme in Microsoft Word. See you soon!